this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to enter the rest mode on your PS5 Pro. So the first thing you want to do is completely turn it off. So press the PlayStation button and then go all the way over to power and then go to turn off. Make sure it's not in rest mode, so there's no blinking light right here that's orange or anything like that. So once it's completely turned off, you need to plug your controller into the front of the console right here and plug the other end here. Now just wait for it to completely turn off. There's no blinking light, and then hold down the power button. So I'm going to hold this down now. I'm going to hear one beep, and then I'm going to hear a second beep like 5 to 10 seconds later. So just continue to hold this down and it will enter the safe mode now. And it says connect the controller using the USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. So let's press this. Now we have all the different options for safe mode, like restart PS5, change the video output. So if you are connecting your PS5 to maybe like a TV that doesn't support the resolution, you have to come into safe mode to change it. Otherwise, it's just going to be a black screen. Then we got repair console storage, update system software, restore default settings, clear cache and rebuild database, reset PS5, and then we got reset PS5, reinstall system software. So maybe you want to factory reset your PS5, you got that option. But on my PS5 Pro, I haven't had any issues with my console storage or even on my PS5. On the PS4, this would happen quite often where I would have to come to one of these options where I would have to rebuild the database. So we can just do this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.